Hello, everybody. Brian here from Brian Trades. Back again with another recap video. Like always, best and worst trade. So let's get right into it. So let's start off with my worst trade of the day, which is on NIO. As you can see, I have it pulled up. And this trade, not really. Pretty disappointed with myself in this one. There's not really much else I could say. It was just too early of an entry. He was chopping around. Just wasn't my ideal setup. Um, but let's go over it. So, NIO, um, pretty sure broke down out of the open and then immediately got bought back up. And then it happened again 2 other times. It pushed down, bought back up, but it never got lower. And then it eventually started, consolidating around the VWAP with this candle right here, and then this candle as well. And when I got in, it was holding VWAP, so I got in basically at VWAP. And then it eventually sold off and then got bought back up. And then the next candle, um, it pushed lower, and at that point I thought it was going to break down because if it got below, let me get rid of this. This candle's low. I thought it would flush down below the daily level and go lower. So I didn't want to stay in that trade. So I ended up cutting my losses early. And, you know, yes, it was the wrong move, but I'm glad it wasn't really a good setup, so I wasn't mad at myself for getting out when I did. Um, but so when I trade, I do double click to trade, and I have um, I risk the same dollar amount each trade. So my stop loss, um, was 11.57, the low of the day. So that's where my stop was, and I ended up, selling earlier than that because I thought it would go down. But in reality, if I just took, the set risk that I always take and just held, I would have been okay, and this probably would have been a green trade. But because even down here when it pulled back again, right here, it still didn't break that 58 level. And then it ended up going all the way up to like 12.10. But yeah, pretty bad trade. Uh, and then my next trade that I took was CCL. This one I'm pretty happy with. Proud of this one. So CCL, let me see what it was doing pre-market. Pre-market was just chopping around, not really doing much. But off the open, it ripped down and then immediately got bought back up to the VWAP. But what I noticed here was the volume during this move was decreasing. These three volume bars, decreasing volume. When it got towards the VWAP, even more decreasing volume. So I was like, okay, that maybe the buyers aren't really stepping in. I feel like the sellers are still in control. So I got in. Really, I should have waited for the break of this candle right here, but I got in a little bit earlier, which is fine. And then it broke down a little bit and then got back up to the VWAP. I should have added here. And then I was going to, but I was like, nah, not worth it based on yesterday's trade, adding. I don't really have good luck with that. But then it sold off light volume, but still going in the right direction, and then pulled back on light volume. Again, I was tempted to add right here at the 15 level. And then right after that, big volume bar, big sell off. On the level 2, I noticed some of the bids stacking at 1480. So I just placed a limit order at 1480 with all those bids, hoping I would get filled. And it eventually sold off. I got filled, and I took the profit and green trade, green on the day. Not the biggest green day, but um, a green day is a green day. So I'm happy with that. And then I noticed it was right about here. I was still watching it right here in this area. I saw this decently large volume, and it couldn't really go any lower. So I was like, all right, maybe this thing's about to, take a turn and go up. Um, and I think I was looking to enter around here, so 1480. Um, but I didn't want to risk what I just made, so I didn't get in. And if I did, it would have worked out. But it's whatever. Green day, better than yesterday. I'll take it. Um, Happy with this trade. Happy that I held through all this and waited for my target. Um, and yeah, those were my two trades. Um, yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment down below. Let's connect. Let's talk stocks. I'm always down for that. Let's learn off each other. Um, but yeah, um, I will be back with another video tomorrow. Hopefully, finish off the week green. Good start to October. Um, October 1st. Didn't even realize it was October 1st till just now. But yeah, let's hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Peace.